Hi, my name is Joshua Gray.
Hello, my name is Jennifer England.
And I'm Khalil Dorsey.
And this is Sapiosocial. Today's topic is on gun violence and police brutality. So, Josh, would you like to start us off with the conversation?
Well, yes, I would. Lately on the news, we've been talking about situation going on in Ferguson, Missouri. And as you can tell, they're now having a curfew. People's lives are now being put in the hands of the public officials. My opinion is this, and I will stand very strong by it. There should be no curfew, and clearly the policing in Ferguson need to all step aside and resign, and a new frontier needs to take place. You need to have a different type of setting and a lot less strategic military action taking place in that location. It is unnecessary and is uncalled for. They need to find a better resolution and a far more less violent and more peaceful solution. Back to you.
Okay, I do feel what you're saying on this. They should find better solutions. And what I feel that would probably be better is that since every person that has seemed to record the police doing something has either been locked up or not found, then I think police should be required now to wear like little cameras on them, so that way, which I think in one state they actually started doing that already, if I'm not mistaken. I looked it up and saw that they were required to. I'm not sure what state it was at the moment, but it'll probably come back to me. I can probably look it up. But there was one state that already said that they required the police officers to now wear small cameras on them, so that way, whatever they see, we see, and that way we'll see if they're doing injustice behavior. So, what would you like to input on this, Khalil?
As far as what Josh spoke about earlier, I don't really know that much about it. I haven't really read that much about it. I've seen articles on it. But from what I do understand is if you're placing curfews on a particular state or wherever the region may be, that's first case scenario of martial law, pretty much, because now things are getting out of hand. You no longer have a choice to abide by the rules of our Constitution or our law, or whatever the local laws, their state laws, whatever that is. So now they're just enforcing curfews, but they're not particularly solving the problem. So it's like, why are you enforcing a curfew on people that are trying to get justice on this particular situation? They're not doing anything violent. So what is the purpose of you placing a curfew on someone? History has recorded when they put curfews on people or in any area, it is for a number of reasons. One reason could be like a disease could have broke out, or a mass group of murderers on the loose, any number of those reasons, but you're placing a curfew on a group of people that are looking for justice. They're not acting violent, they're not doing anything to anybody, they're just seeking justice. Yeah.
Excuse me, Khalil and Josh. I can no longer see your video, so I think we're having a little bit of technical difficulty on that. So maybe you guys can go into the settings real quick and see what's going on with that. And it seems that Josh has left the call. He shall be back in a moment. But to add to what you all were saying, you know, that is pretty harsh to basically like say, okay, well, we don't want you out at a certain time, or else we're gonna automatically think that you're up to something. So that's gonna give us an excuse to shoot down whoever it is. And here's Josh added to the Hello?
Hey, I found out the video is being recorded, but it's in a record, it's in the file. It says it's in the file. Once you hang up, it's in the file. Just wanted to let you know that.
Okay.